Hello and welcome back to my home base pottery studio. Today we're up to a challenge. I'm gonna try to fix this base that I've done 2 years ago, in which I did not wait for the piece to dry completely. I thought so, but not really, and all the nose exploded, or maybe there was air trapped inside, who knows. This happened a long time ago, and now for market I wanna get back to a good start with this piece. So we're gonna be washing and then we're gonna be glazing it and firing it. I think it's gonna be with white glaze, we're gonna see, and then I'm gonna do the Japanese techniques to get all the I never remember the name of this technique, to get this nose gold shiny. In my mind sounds like a good plan, so let's go ahead and let's see if we're gonna make it happen or not. Are we gonna be able to fix this base? We'll see. Seems like I did not do a great job attaching the nose. We'll see if we are able to save it, because I have no clue. Let's bring it to the shower and clean it. It's all washed up, and now I'm gonna bring it to the other room that I have sun in there and allow it to dry completely before glazing it. In this week, which is a shorter one, we're gonna be focusing on creating small decor, because next weekend I have a market and I have no time to work on big vases or mugs or plant pots, because they wouldn't be able to dry out before I attend this market. So the only thing I think I'm gonna work on this week is those hanging decor and little desk bodies. And also we have to work on a commission that I have to deliver next week if I have time. I need to create 30 instance holders, the ones that are shaped with the dice shape. I'm gonna be glazing them with different colors, giving different details. So yesterday I got back here, I started working on that, on all the bases for the little pieces and also all the bases for the hanging decor. I did not record because I needed to do a lot of stuff, and this week I wasn't able to be here in the studio on Monday, because the first Monday of each month I'm working on the dance classes, so I'm creating the classes, but you don't care about this, so I won't talk about it. But this means we have only 4 days left for me to work on all the things I want to do before going to that market. Let's go ahead, let's continue. I'm gonna be most probably sculpting some faces for the cubes and the hanging decor. And later on, because now the big base is drying, it's just having a sun bath and it's drying a tiny bit more the body of the piece, because yesterday I took it to the shower and cleaned it. I did not record it because I will not take my camera inside the shower, but you can imagine. It's Wednesday, let's go.
You can bring your friends, they can sing too. You can even bring your mama, as long as she can hold the tune. You can bring your dog and let those ears fly out in the wind. Then we'll pick up the whole dang town and we'll sing it again. We need a bigger bus to get our friends on. More windows and more aisles. Party in the front, party in the back. We'll go swaying side to side. Surrender. Our wheels go round and round. We'll get all the bumper stickers from all the places that we found. Need a bigger bus. think your caramel skin, your curly hair, and 3 bird tattoos. Every time I scroll through a photo album, I always feel nostalgia mixed with emptiness, cause we thought we were limitless. But now, oh now, I wonder if you think of me, or am I just a memory? If so, please don't tell me, cause I've been holding on to fantasies that we could be together for eternity. I just had to leave and get my grad degree. Been sweet home California, baby, how I miss the beach. Been in New York City 7 days and I can't even sleep. Sweet home California, miss that sunshine on my skin. I've been daydreaming about you and me and what we could have been. Oh, you know I'll make it back to you. I'll make it back to you one day. Oh, you know I'll make it back to you. I'll make it back to you one day. Summer days we used to roller skate, swim in the ocean waves, hold you by the waist, my darling. But now summer's here, my baby's nowhere near. My head feels empty like the home that she left, empty like the hole in my chest. Now, oh now.
So I'm gonna take a small break from sculpting the little incense holders, and I'm gonna be applying wax resistance is called. Oh no, this is this is a white underglaze. We won't apply this one. We're gonna be applying the wax resistance, yes, to this area and also the side that is gonna be attached. Those pieces, those bits are the nose that exploded. So we are gonna be just applying this wax resistance before applying the glaze. That is the thing that I'm gonna be doing after that. Afterwards, I'm gonna let it dry out and continue sculpting. Ew. We don't want to be applying the glaze to the area that we later on are gonna be attaching the nose. Let's see how it goes, because I don't think it's gonna explode anymore, but maybe the cracks are gonna get bigger because we have some cracks also on the side of the piece, and I think this is because it was still wet when I put it inside the kiln. You wanna be really careful once you are applying the wax resistance, because it won't go away unless you fire it, so it's not that possible to wash it off if you paint some areas that you were not meant to paint. And now I'm gonna be painting the small pieces. I just put it away because I don't want the big body of the base to get any wax resistance, and sometimes disaster can happen.
But I'll live with it if it means I'll have you. If we could be together, I'm set shit. Every song about you on my set list. All of my friends wanna hear about us. All of your friends wanna hear about us. So let's roll with the punches that come with a thing called trust. We don't gotta rule out commitment. I want you differently. I think this is love. Yeah. I think this is love. Love. Yeah. You know we get together. When we pass it out. I think I will forever. Maybe we find some love. Maybe we find some love. Maybe it's us. But am I crazy for trying? I'm crazy for you.
Cool. So now let's close it, and I'm gonna clean the brush, otherwise it's gonna be not usable later on, and I'm gonna drink my coffee and go glaze. I think I'm gonna do it with the sprayer gun. I don't know if it's called like that. It's a sprayer that you put the glaze inside and you spray it on. I guess this is why it's called something like this.
Hello, hello, hello. It's voiceover Juan. Glazing this big vase was a mess. Basically, I took the big piece, the one that you saw that has no nose, and I took it to the shower. Whenever I'm spraying any glazes on the pieces, of course, I'm gonna wear a mask because it's really toxic. And in my bathroom, I have a window. And that's one thing you wanna keep in mind. It's not a good idea to glaze with this sprayer in a closed room without any ventilation because you would be inhaling the glaze. So whenever I was trying to glaze it, the sprayer wasn't working that much. So I have tried twice and then I saw that it was just getting really messy and I decided to pour the glaze inside of the piece and then just glaze spray it on the outside. So it was tricky because as you could see it's a quite big piece, so I had to use a lot of glaze, but I didn't have much time in order to do that because otherwise I would be applying a thick layer inside and this would bring me to problems later on during the firing. So I couldn't record it. I was really stressed out. I had like 3-4 seconds in order to pour all the glaze inside and then in order to make sure that all the walls are gonna have glaze and then pour it out really fast. Couldn't imagine the idea of recording the process while doing that. It would be just a mess, and also in the bathroom that I have in there is quite small and you wouldn't be able to see much. It's just my body moving around really fast and stressed. And you're gonna see now that I'm unloading the big firing that we have loaded just 2 minutes before, that all the pieces survive, and the next step for those ones are gonna be to glaze them with transparent glaze and also white glaze. And later on you're gonna see me loading the big vase. Let's hope that it makes it all the way through the firing process. It is quite a chill vlog. I hope you are enjoying it. I just need to do a lot of little things before the market. I hope you enjoyed it. So let me know if you enjoy this kind of content. Like and subscribe, of course. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm gonna leave you now and see you next time. Bye bye, love you. And by the way, I have Instagram. You can find me also as Terramida Ceramic. Also, I have my Patreon, so you can go there and support me and help me buy materials and pay water, electricity, and all those things. But for now, I'm gonna be leaving you and see you next time. Love you. Bye bye.